So this is lesson 5.4, which is a lot of factoring. I gotta move quick because I do not have a lot of memory for video, so here we go. First, for this one, I want to find the GCF. In this case, it is y to the third, and then a 2. So I'm going to factor out 2y to the third. I'm left with y squared minus 9. Y squared minus 9 is the difference of two squares, which is y plus 3 and y minus 3. That is factored completely. Next, same thing, GCF is going to be 3x to the third. I'm going to factor that out. I have x squared minus 16. X squared minus 16 is also the difference of two squares, so x plus 4, x minus 4. Okay, next, I have factor by grouping. Those are my two groups. I'm going to factor out the GCF, which is y squared. I'm left with y minus 7. The GCF of these two is a 4. You're also left with y minus 7. Y minus 7 is what they have in common. You bring that to the front. Y squared plus 4 is what's left over, and you can't take that any further. This is another factor by grouping. Those are my two groups. The GCF for the first two terms is 4c squared. Factor that out and you get c plus 2. The GCF for the second two is a negative 9. Remember, you want to take it a negative if that the third number is a negative. You're also left with c plus 2. You bring the c plus 2 to the front. 4c squared minus 9 is what is left over. That happens to be the difference of two squares. So I want to say 2c plus 3, 2c minus 3. I'm going to stop there and do a part 2.